Alright, there it is, cut out. I'm going to go ahead and take the foam out of my creases here so I can fold the fuselage upright. And I've also cut sport line here and sport line here, so when it comes time to fold it up, it bends the right way without having to make any extra creases in the foam. And there it is, glued together. And when you're gluing the rear pieces that are curved like that, take your time and try to make sure your gap is even with the bottom so it comes out clean. So I'm pretty happy with that, and that gives you something to work with. Pretty simple, quick fuselage there. Moving on. And there's the completely cut, hinged, beveled, whatever you want to call it, wing. The two halves. That's the underside, of course. Dogs are just going crazy today for some reason.